Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to install Shopify apps. Okay, so all you need to do is click here in the search bar, click search, and right here the first option here is apps. Okay, so click onto apps, and then you want to go here to all recommended apps. Okay, click on that, and then that will go ahead and if you want to go, this will show you the recommended apps. But if you scroll down, you can go and discover more in the Shopify App Store. So click on Shopify App Store, and then that will load up, and then you can basically search for whatever sort of app that you want on your page. On your store. So you can see the whole list of apps here on the home page. Okay. So let's just say, for instance, you want email. So you'd write email pop-up. Let's just say you want an email pop-up. Okay, you'll search that, and you'll basically see which one is the best one for email pop-up. So tin exit pop-up, email pop-up. Okay, a free plan is available. So you can see some of them are free, and then some of them say free plan available. So I would say basically select email pop-up and spin wheel. Okay. Grow via email pop-up, spin the wheel, pop-up discount. So this one's actually built for Shopify. So what I'll do is I'll click onto that one, and if you want to install this, okay, you basically just click the install button. It'll take you through all the steps, and then you'll have that on your store. Now if you would like to get a free trial of Shopify for 3 days and then only $1 per month going forward, you can go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video. And if this helped you out, drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.